Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Malawi, Mr. Lazarus Chakwera, His Lordship Bishop John Alphonsus Ryan, His Lordship Bishop Yohane Suzgo Nyirenda, all the bishops present, distinguished government officials, fellow diplomats or their representatives, priests, religious men and women, deacons, seminarians, and all the lay faithful of God. My warmest greetings to each one of you. Allow me to begin by expressing my profound gratitude for the invitation to preside over this sacred Mass, a Mass that marks the beginning of Bishop Yohane Nyirenda's pastoral journey as the shepherd of the Diocese of Mzuzu. Understanding that this is a great responsibility, I sincerely ask all of you to pray for Bishop Nyirenda and support him, not only today, not sometimes, but always. Furthermore, I wish to mention that the appointment of Bishop Nyirenda stands as one of the final acts of Pope Francis before his passing. He was already undergoing treatment when he signed the bull. Considering these extraordinary circumstances, I regard this appointment as particularly special, a truly rare privilege bestowed upon this diocese. Before I conclude my remarks, it's important that I address the following matter. It has become a common practice that the exchange of the pastoral staff between the outgoing and the incoming bishop is perceived as the official beginning of the new bishop's pastoral ministry in the diocese, or the transfer of authority from the outgoing bishop to his successor. However, this perception is not correct. It is not the staff or the croiser that confer official responsibility or authority upon the new bishop. Rather, it is the papal bull bearing the signature of the Holy Father that holds this singular authority. Without this important document, no one can take possession of a diocese as its new bishop. Thus, it is the Pope himself, through the act of signing the bull, who bestows that official pastoral responsibility. This is precisely why the papal bull must be presented and read publicly before all the faithful gathered. I felt it necessary to clarify this matter so that we may all fully understand the profound significance of the papal bull in the appointment of a bishop to a particular diocese. Finally, from the depth of my heart, I extend my sincerest congratulations to Bishop Yohane Nyirenda on his appointment as the shepherd of the Diocese of Mzuzu. My dear brother, Bishop, I wish you a blessed and fruitful mission in your new role. May the clergy be your closest collaborators, and may all the faithful embrace your leadership with open hearts. Thank you very much. A special thanks to Bishop Ryan.